Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, PM Couponer. So we're back at Target for the second time this week to do another home care deal. So check your Target Circle accounts to see if you have any home care category coupons. Mine is for $10 off a $50 purchase. Although this category coupon is a limit of 2 uses, the manufacturer digital coupons are a limit of 1. So earlier this week, I used my account. So I'll be using my husband's account in order to use all of those manufacturer digital coupons. So first, we're picking up one of these Downy Unstoppables priced at $15.99. And we're clipping this $6 digital coupon. Add one of these Bounce dryer sheets priced at $9.99 and clip this $2 digital coupon. Then grab any one of these Downies priced at $12.99 and clip this $3 digital coupon. Plus one of these Windex foam priced at $3.89. No coupons, but there is a $1.25 rebate on IBOTTA, plus any one of these Febreze trash air fresheners priced at $6.39. Clip this $2 digital coupon, and since we're a few cents off the $50 that we have to spend, in order to use that category coupon, we are adding one of these Clorox wipes at 99 cents. So these are the 6 items that you should have in your cart. So these items have a subtotal of $50.24, but we're using the 10 off 50 Target Circle category coupon and $13 in manufacturer's digital coupons, which will bring your total down to $27.24, but you're submitting your receipt to IBOTTA to get $1.25 back for the Windex, making the final cost for all of these items $25.99. That's already almost 50% savings. But if you want to add a few more items to make this deal even better, check your Target Circle accounts again to see if you have this bonus or $10 back in Target Circle rewards when you spend $70. If you do, we're gonna grab 2 bags of Rachel Ray's Nutrish dog food. These 5-pound bags are part of this promotion where you get a $5 Target gift card when you purchase 2. So these bags are priced at $10.19 each. Grab 2, totaling $20.38. You're going to get that $5 gift card for purchasing 2. Then submit your receipt to IBOTTA to get $3.50 for each one, making 2 bags of this dog food $8.38 or just $4.19 each. And big thanks to California Clipper for sharing this deal on her YouTube channel. Since I earned a free Target Circle 360 membership on my husband's account, I opted for the $5 coupon on any Up and Up school supplies. So I grabbed this printer paper priced at $5.79. Plus, we also have a 15% off coupon on school supplies in our Target Circle. So after both coupons, this will be just 67 cents. That was everything I grabbed for this transaction. But since I'm a few more dollars away from also earning a free Target Circle 360 membership on my account, I decided to grab these Stiller sodas for my second transaction. So these are priced at $1.99. Grab 2, totaling $3.98. Then submit your receipt to IBOTTA to get 50 cents back for each one. And Aisle has this BOGO offer, so you'll get back $1.99 from Aisle, making 2 of these 99 cents or just 50 cents each. And this is what my cart looked like in store. Now let's go home and go over the breakdown. Okay, so this is everything I grabbed at Target today. So for my first transaction without the Stiller sodas, my subtotal came up to $76.41 minus $28.12 in digital coupons. My total came down to $48.29, but I did get back that $10 reward for spending $70 plus a $5 gift card for the dog food. And since I only needed 2 more IBOTTA rebates to earn this $5 bonus, I'll earn a total of $13.25 from IBOTTA, making the final cost for all of these items with a retail cost of over $75. $20.04 or just $2.23 each. And adding the final cost for my second transaction for the 2 Stiller sodas makes this $21.03 for all of these items. Since I purchased the Downy Unstoppable scent boosters in a previous purchase earlier this week, I was hoping to purchase again because it has a high value digital coupon, but I wasn't okay with spending $9.99 for just 1 bottle. I mean, if you're a couponer, you already know that that's illegal in our book, because why would I spend $10 on just that one item when I could grab all of these other items for just $10 more? I mean, to me it makes sense because we don't always get deals on most of these items. So yeah, that's everything I have for you guys today. And if you're new to any of the rebate apps mentioned in this video, I will have all of the referral links in my bio and the description. If you use my referral links, you will get a bonus when you submit your first receipt. Like right now, both IBOTTA and Aisle are giving back a $5 bonus. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to see more money saving content. God bless.